Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about suffering and illusion of separateness. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, press the subscribe button and bell icon near it so that you don't miss any video update. Thank you. Suffering and illusion of separateness. Suffering only arises because we assume that we are separate individuals. It is the mind that creates the illusion of separateness, and it is the same mind that suffers the consequences of this illusion. We can say that suffering is the consequence of the mind. When the mind is eliminated, the suffering will automatically end. If we realize the self, we can realize that all these sufferings are nothing but the illusion created by our mind. The most effective way of eliminating the suffering is to realize the self. The supreme bliss of self is always with us. It is the ego which creates all these miseries in our life. We impose limitation to ourselves by the false identification of the body as our true self. Because of that, we suffer misery and pain. It is a wrong identification. It can be corrected by eliminating this ignorance by using self-inquiry method Who Am I of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. All unhappiness is due to ego. The source of permanent happiness is the self alone. Therefore, happiness is our real nature. The only thing that prevents us from being happy is the veil of ignorance due to ego. Remove the ego and all suffering will vanish. It can be experienced in deep sleep. There no mind exists. Therefore, no ego exists or individuality exists and no suffering in deep sleep. Suffering only appears to be real only when one turns aside from one's real nature. Actually, suffering does not exist. It is only the byproduct of our mind. The world is neither good nor bad. It is the mind created this duality by attaching to one thing and wanting more of it. If the mind receives that thing, it is happy. Otherwise, it is sad. This is situation for many people. The cycle of pain and pressure keep on repeating, and this cycle will cause to act and will end up in bondage. Only by realizing our true nature, that is self, we can end this cycle and be happy. The outside world is not real. Because we identify ourselves wrongly with the body, we see an external world outside ourselves. It is actually a mental projection of the mind. We can see no world in deep sleep because the mind does not exist. No mind, no world. Because we accept this body as ourselves, we have to experience the pain and pleasures of this body and ends in suffering. But by realizing the true self, we can be happy. So this body may subject to pain and pleasures due to prarabdha karma, but our real self does not suffer or does not have to experience the consequence of the action. Thank you.